Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? We've got another can offering here today for you vintage advertising collectors or somebody looking for something cool in the background of their collection. This is a 10-pound can of Queen quality salted almonds. I have a big regret that I'm allergic to almonds because I love the taste, but the can's in nice shape. Again, I'm showing a series of these, the last couple listings that we have. So if you're into vintage almonds or into just vintage advertising, this is a really cool piece for you. Thank you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.